start assembling. It's a familiar start because it's a kit that I've worked on before. I prefer to work on multiple units at the same time. As I said before, we start two types of A&D at the same time, using Academy kit. Each painting is glossy black, so it's perfect to work with. The advantage of the Academy 1/72 kit is that it will later include extra parts for variations, making it easier to build other types of aircraft. In this work, we will make the most of those advantages. Additional B types have already been released at the Academy, and we expect D types to come out in the future. The video of this work machine was decided to be to Black Cats. It is a kit that already has experience in manufacturing, so I skipped assembling and started assembling right away. The work began by preparing two transparent and large plastic containers, first cutting off the parts, separating the parts to be made into A-type, D-type parts, and marking them. Since the benefit point is not so big, and there are small changes, we will carefully mark, separate, trim, and adhere to avoid confusion when assembling. Since you enjoy working on multiple units at the same time, if you don't distinguish well every time, you may be in a difficult situation later, so you should pay attention to the first assembly. If possible, I recommend making one at a time. I'll work hard to trim and paste until I'm ready to start painting. That's it for this video. Thank you for waiting for the next video.